Carolina. I'm the Associate Vice President for the Academic Experience at College of Charleston, which means that first-year seminars, well, the first-year experience reports to me, as well as a number of academic support services at College of Charleston. Well, we have a very dynamic first-year experience program that's required of all students. We started about 4 years ago building capacity for the first-year experience program, and this year is the first year that we're requiring it of our 2,000 freshmen. It's focused on academic seminars and academic learning communities. When we started the program, we were interested in the possibilities of study abroad that we might build into it. But more than 5 years ago, when we were beginning all of this, the models for first-year study abroad were more elaborate than our institution could undertake. So places like NYU, for example, that had campuses abroad and could do a whole first year abroad if they chose to do that, that didn't seem at all viable to us. Now that we're further along in the program, and now that there are more ways of looking at first-year study abroad, we're here to gather ideas, to steal ideas. We're going to take what we've learned home and think about what we would like to do. We're considering a couple of different possibilities. But because ours is an academic first-year experience, we certainly deal with transition issues, but they're inquiry seminars. What we think might work is to build in a summer component that would then lead into the seminar. So, for instance, I teach Shakespeare on film, so I could take my students to London, to England, for 2 weeks, and then those students would be in my class in the fall, and we could follow up on some of the things that we learned and did on the study abroad experience. So we're thinking about that. We're also thinking about possibilities of a fall course with a spring component over spring break, or a spring course with an early summer component. Those are the kind of the parameters of what we're thinking about right now. Well, study abroad is a high-impact experience, and so is a first-year experience. We're interested in the synergy of the two, of course, where one of our mottos for our first-year experience is going further faster. And basically, we think that study abroad has some of the going further faster elements to it that first-year experience does, and that we might get some synergy really from incorporating those together. We're also really interested in the research on high impact. Both of those are high impact, and we want to consider the possibility of creating a graduation requirement around high impact experiences. That means we have to build capacity. We have to have enough opportunities for students to experience a couple of high impact practices. So it's building capacity, it's the synergy of the first year seminar and or first year experience and study abroad. We understand both of those and know how to do them really well, and we want to see if we can do them together.